I have a new camera and it's awesome. The following footage is going to be test footage. Insert transition here. Hello! The purpose of this is to simply provide a monologue for the closed captioning that we're demonstrating in this video. I don't really have anything else that I want to say, so I will add some pauses for effect, and then I'll say something very important. Pizza is great. Now I'm going to read a poem. And then the day came when the risk to remain tight in a bud was more painful than the risk it took to blossom. More pausing. And this right here is going to be my final sentence. Have a great day.
So once you've got yourself your video file from your camera or whatever the video source you've got, I have it here in a folder. It's just right off of my camera. You want to go to YouTube and start an upload. This is the standard upload in YouTube. If you're going to publish it, you can feel free to do that. Or if you're scheduling and doing, just do whatever you would normally be doing. In this case, I'm not intending to upload this to YouTube. I'm going to upload it to Facebook, so I'm just going to set this to private. All I'm doing is I'm using YouTube's engine for being able to generate a subtitle file. And I'm going to use that to generate the file, and then I'm going to use that file on Facebook. Now, if you're also uploading to YouTube, you can go ahead and do that as well and kill two birds with one stone. In this case, I'm just using YouTube as a tool. So I'm going to wait for this to finish uploading and processing, and that's going to take a little while. And while that's uploading, I just want to show that I have typed up the transcription of everything I said in the video that I'm uploading. If there's any gaps or pauses in the conversation, it's probably a good idea to add in a new line into just the text of what you have here. So for every pause in what I've said, I've added in new lines. That means when I upload this text into the subtitles, it's going to automatically create caption breaks on this content. If there's a long bit of text, it will sometimes break it into multiple parts. But the more you break it up yourself, the more you have control over which bit of text is shown on the screen as a caption at any one moment in time. So here I am back at my uploaded video. It's ready to view. It's private. Great. As long as I verify that it's uploaded, I'm going to want to go into the captioning system. So if you go into your YouTube account or whatever, you click on YouTube Studio, or sometimes it will say Video Creator or something like that. This is beta right now for YouTube, and it does not have what we need. It's actually under missing features. If we go to missing features here, and then translation and transcription, it's just going to kick us back into standard view here. And you want to go to Video Manager, and then you want to click Edit on the video that you want to mess with. What you're looking for is this tab called Subtitle CC. So this process is pretty simple. And we want to add new subtitles to this. You have to pick the language that it is, which is English. That's already set as an option. And what we want to do is transcribe and auto sync. What that means is we give it the text, and it uses the audio that's in the video and the text we give it to figure out how the text should line up and where in time the captions should be placed. So if I click this, it's going to prompt me for text. Now I already typed it up. I have it here in this text file with all the line breaks that I need. I'm just going to paste it in here, and then I go ahead and set timings. And it will take a little bit for it to set that. All right, and here we are with it finished transcribing. It shows up as a draft. That means that the subtitles have not been published, so you have to actually review it in order to make sure it's correct. So it's taken the text that I have here, and it's broken it into time fragments. That's how subtitles work. So if I just go ahead and hit play, we should be able to see that it lines up with the audio. So that's done. As long as that's fine, you want to hit Save Changes. That will publish the caption, and it's not the one that says automatic. The automatic, of course, is going to be off a little bit. It's not perfect, as we all know. If I click back into this English, this is the one where I pasted in my text. I can go to Actions and download SRT. And SRT is a subtitle file. We're going to go ahead and download that. All right, so here I am at, I have a Facebook page for photography. I'm just going to use this as a demonstration. I can go in, I can upload a video, however you upload your video, doesn't really matter. So I go and I upload the video. In my case, it shows up immediately because I uploaded it a couple minutes ago when I was testing this, and it auto-detected that. Regardless, it'll take a little bit to upload. It'll have to finish uploading before it'll let you add captions. You click on subtitles and captions here. You first have to choose a language, which is English. Then it will let you upload file, and it's looking for an SRT file. So I have this SRT file that I downloaded from YouTube. I'm going to open it. It will immediately tell you that the file needs to be named like this. The .enus is just a shorthand for English US. You need to name your caption file like that or it won't let you. So I'm going to name it like such. Now I will re-upload this file, and it's happy. Now I can test it by clicking on this edit button, and if I click this, I should see the captions lining up. And that is how you add subtitles to Facebook using YouTube as a tool.